everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I just want to give you guys my organization tip for these Killa kits. I have these big, giant 12 by 12 style file folder things. I've been storing different papers and stuff in them, like the big embellishment stickers like this. And I ended up going through my pattern paper and embellishments and getting a few of these free so that I can use them for this Killa kit thing that I'm going to try to be doing this year. These are by Cropper Hopper. I will link to these. I'm pretty sure I got these at scrapbook.com. They come in a pack. I bought multiple packs. So how I'm storing my January kit is just in one of these folders, and then I can pull it out and use it as needed. And I have all of my January stamps and smaller things in this little drawer. So I can pull this out, take everything out of this envelope, spread it out over my desk. Now I have a nice, quick, easy way to store everything when I go to put things away. So I've really been liking this. I ended up organizing so that I could pull a few of these out and set things aside as needed. So I thought I would keep them in kind of an order. So I've got my January. I don't have anything set aside for February, but I found these letters when I was organizing and I just love these. I've got 2 sheets of these Let's Be Mermaids sticker sheets. I love the alphabets on this. And so I pulled them out for March because the things I set aside for February are more like pastel colors. I wanted to, have a brighter theme for March since I have a pastel theme for February. I thought the pastels would be really nice for Valentine's Day type stuff. I didn't want to mix the really bright with the pastel. One for February, one for March, one for April, and I can set things aside as I find things that I want to use up and incorporate. I can kind of keep myself organized. I just have these set on one of my IKEA cubes, and they're just set next to all of my pattern paper and stuff, so I can just grab and go as needed. And that's pretty much it. I just keep it really contained in here so that it doesn't clutter up my area. There was one night I just left everything spread out, and then the next night I didn't want to come back in here because it was just kind of too messy. And now I have it nice and contained. I think this is going to work really well for me, and especially being able to set extra things aside as I come across them. I can stick them in the various folders or the various little drawers on my desk here. I just wanted to pop on here and show you guys that little thing. I'll link to the folders for you guys, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.